Hey y'all, it's Jasmine here. Just finished 12 Monkeys Season 2 Episode 3. Now we're about to get into Season 2 Episode 4 titled Emergence. That one left on a cliffhanger. So, yeah, there was a paradox. They figured that's the point of... don't even think about it. Don't even. You still got a piece of hair on your face. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, last episode there was a paradox. They're in 1944, I think, and apparently this is the point of origin. Apparently this is what Dr. Jones thinks. So, yeah. Cole and Cassandra knocked out. Also, one of the messengers. Hopefully she's dead. If not, we need to get rid of her. And also, I think that Cole and Cassandra are about to get arrested because they think that they're the ones that's killing folk in 1944. But, yeah. Not much else to say. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share because that's always appreciated. If you want to check out my full reaction or any of my early reactions, you can head over to my Patreon. The link is down below. Let's get into this episode because I'm ready.
Mr. Ramsey,
Katerina Jones.
you spared Mr. Deacon's life yesterday.
Yeah, I did.
We need your help.
Well, why didn't you say so? What do you need me to do?
Cole is in jeopardy.
Are they arrested?
They're both stuck in the past.
We need you to go back to 1944, find them, and bring them home safely.
Mr. Ramsey, you can find them. You can save their lives. I will guarantee your freedom.
So let me get this straight. You want me to place a classified ad in the paper?
What the hell?
No virus did this.
I'll keep it on just to be safe.
Time, Mr. Whitley.
Disrupted the fabric of space-time, causing temporal anomalies in the here and now.
If we don't find a solution at this time of acceleration, it will consume the world in a matter of months.
Why now? At this time?
We are in uncharted territory.
Take a look.
Oh, what the fuck?
Maybe they know what's happening.
Hey, Jennifer girl.
Possibly.
I'd be creeped the hell out if I seen a whole group of people just staring at me. So if they're gonna do a whole replay, is it gonna be this man is in the asylum?
Finally awake.
Not many people get hit by a car and live to tell the tale.
And you heal fast. Like unusually fast. Hold on, Buster. Where do you think you're going?
What's happening?
You have had a serious accident. You have to stay in bed. You'll have plenty of time to recover.
Damn, this man look younger.
I need to speak to James Cole.
Telephone? For me? You asked for James Cole?
Oh. So what, he got caught and couldn't talk?
Hello.
Okay, bedtime.
Wait, huh?
You
That's
need
a
to
bit
rest up from your
extreme.
surgery, Mr. Ramsey.
This is madness. It's growing closer. You're still at a loss. A lifetime of...
Where are you going?
She going to talk to him?
I need to see her.
Fräulein Jones.
Miss Goins, I've noticed you have taken an interest in what's happening out there. Do you know what caused these anomalies out there?
Caused. That's your problem. Monkeys made it. But the who is not important.
These leaves have been altered by disruption of space and time. I have no doubt they bring you visions, Miss Goins.
I found
All
one of
up
the
in
messages.
his business.
Shoot Crawford.
Man, mistake. They killed the wrong Crawford. Tommy and his father have the same name. Where is he now?
Mission Cross Mental Asylum.
Looking good in a suit. You look good with that haircut too.
Carl?
You shouldn't be here.
This is
Your
new.
cycle is complete.
Oh hell, here we go with this again.
You know, things haven't gone according to plan.
The plan does not alter.
How dumb can you be?
Facility in 2043. Dr. Haley, they pursued you here. They infiltrated the enemy. Help me.
Oh, Ramsey, don't be a bad guy. I mean, but you're not a bad guy.
My whole life.
I don't know.
Your love for your son is... My cycle ends here.
A witness asked me personally to come.
Lies.
Traveler. I found them. They're on the second floor.
What more reason do you need to check? Huh? And keep checking it until you find it!
The very fabric of our existence is unraveling. Our best hope and our worst hope is lost.
So the same thing happened. No apology, no nothing, Jones. So is he helping or not?
We should have splintered by now.
See? Right there. You should have splintered. The reason we brought you here is we're in a huge shitstorm because of you two.
Always
Things
late,
get all
huh?
Complicated with lawyers and...
You got tangled up with the wrong guy. It happens, but he's put you in a situation here.
bad situations.
Understatement of the year,
We're
huh?
trying to save those people.
Truth is, locking you up would be easy. But I don't think this is about the war.
NYPD, open up.
Oh yeah, you know that voice anywhere. That's Ramsey.
Hey, brother. Ramsey.
How are you? Paradox.
Let's go home, guys.
Not yet.
What are you talking about?
We need to find the woman who killed Crawford's son.
Cole, it's over. We gotta get back to 2044.
Your country thanks you for your service. Shirley.
I hear the name Ramsey. I think of the Tar Heel Ram.
She thinks that she could lock on to us that way.
From a 100-year-old newspaper.
So now you're saving people.
All right. We're not leaving until we figure out what the 12 monkeys are doing here.
But she's right this time. Time to go. Listen, you want to get home? I got to place an ad.
I'm going with you.
Damn, Jones, you look rough.
Why are you being such an asshole? Inventing the new. You're not just analyzing the old.
Okay,
That's what
Gerard.
makes you, Catherine. You go full speed ahead into the unknown.
Ugh.
Now what are you doing?
The ad's already been sent.
Damn, Cassandra!
Jones,
Let the
you
man
can
breathe.
You can hate me. That's fine. I get it. I'm alive because of him.
I could say one thing with absolute certainty.
And what's that, Ramsey?
James Cole is loyal.
Forgive him. Like you did me.
What did he put? Oh! Shoot her ass in the fucking head. Oh.
Wait!
Excuse me.
I don't think you killed the Crawfords.
Evidence. You did some digging. That necklace you gave Miss Thompson? That design doesn't even come out until early next year.
I think you're a guy who wants to do the right thing. There was
One day the people she works for will do that. If I don't find out why, I can't stop them.
Right now, I don't know if you're telling the truth Or I've just read one too many H.G. Wells stories.
James Cole is done. They never imagined I'd survive the paradox, but I spent my whole life preparing to die in 1944. I never thought I'd want to stay, to have a life.
So she has no
Why did you
purpose
kill the
now.
Crawfords?
Trying to do.
Stop time's cruel destruction. Unlock the infinite.
You'll try to stop it, but you can't. I cannot kill James Cole. The witness has spoken.
Irritation is what I feel right now.
What is ending up there?
She gave you a fucking answer. You didn't listen. Is that the drink that's supposed to show her the red forest?
Where are we?
Not where.
When? This is the day we woke up. And that smart little monkey wasn't just a monkey anymore. Primaries, living, breathing gears in time's wristwatch. We keep it moving, steady, in sync, ticking. No past, no present, no future, only now. An infinite now of death and life together. No beginning, no end. All of humanity.
All of humanity unborn. Imagine that the what's the person called? The messenger? No. The dude in the red forest, imagine that's Cole or Cassandra.
I'm not sure there's anything. Yeah, so look, I want to help.
You're gonna want to see this.
You said you don't, or you're gonna wanna.
It worked. He did it.
H.G. Wells.
So are they no longer affected by
You know what the 12 monkeys are doing?
They're trying to
the
destroy time.
splinter anymore? It doesn't make them feel bad? Because they seem to recover pretty fucking quickly.
Using time against itself. They're destroying these primaries like critical points in a structure. That's what Jennifer wanted to show me.
So what now?
There is no way of knowing. All of humanity will collapse into itself.
Ask Jennifer who else is a primary.
I'm pretty sure your part in this is over.
I don't think you have any say in that, darling. Doc?
Mr. Ramsey helped us today.
You know what? You can go live in hell for all I care. Your mistakes.
And you were one of them.
Shut
The
up.
damage that he could was desperate to save your life, Dr.
Did he do any fucking damage, Cassandra?
Chase the only lead
What do
we
you
have.
mean?
Awfully small-minded of you.
You got a problem with me?
Yes, Ramsey. I have a problem with you.
And for him, you wouldn't be here, you
You wouldn't be alive!
Sag mal, befinden wir uns hier im Kindergarten?
Enough! Outside, they already won.
Messengers are destroying time. We need to figure a way to track them down. Not all of us chose to be here.
I don't think any of y'all chose to be there besides Dr. Jones. Is this the police officer? Is this supposed to be... No. $71.
It is time. My son. My journey ends, but
Have faith that the witness has spoken.
The witness.
No.
Is James or Cassandra the fucking
My
witness?
son.
Who the fuck is your son? That better not be Goins. Oh, it's fucking Jasmine's and Lavender's guy. Am I dumb or what? What a fucking... Ugh. Ugh. Disgusted is what I am.
I'm ready for them to stop now. The voices. Please, I need them to stop, okay? Please. Jennifer Collins.
Okay, Jennifer, wait, right there.
Should have fucking killed her when you had the chance. Oh my god. Irritation. Okay, well, that was 12 Monkeys Season 2, Episode 4, titled Emergence. Yeah, I kind of feel like this episode and the episode before were like, it was like a two-parter. Yeah. Shows how much stuff that Cassandra and Cole don't do that affect fucking time in the present. Had they killed her, we wouldn't have Jasmine and Lavender's guy. Who's his dad? These are all questions. Is Jennifer a good guy or a bad guy? Who is the witness? Is it Cole? Like, I don't know. This was definitely an episode. I thought we were going to change some stuff around. Last episode was pissing me off because we just kept arriving late to everything. Everything. We were arriving late to everything. And then this episode did not help. It didn't answer any questions. They were good. They were good. But it's just like... no questions. None. None were answered. Let me know what y'all thought about this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share if you will, because that's always appreciated. If you want to check out my full reaction or any of my early reactions, you can head over to my Patreon. The link is down below. I'm going to head out, y'all.